Welcome to Govind Vatika, a 10-acre villa plot project designed for elevated living. Located 14 to 17 kilometers away from MOPA airport and serene beaches like Arambol, Keri and Shiroda. Plot sizes range from 3,500 to 7,000 square feet, giving you space to build your dream villa. It's strategically located right on the proposed 4-lane coastal highway with 9-meter wide internal roads for smooth access. Enjoy 2 acres of open space and 38,000 square feet dedicated to amenities, including a massive 8,000 plus square feet clubhouse with indoor games, gym, a multi-purpose hall and a big swimming pool. From riverside gardens to jogging tracks, badminton courts to a complete drainage and electricity system, Govind Vatika offers everything. The best part? Panoramic field views and actual on-ground work, already 50% complete. Contact us for best deals.